bit of a windy day down here at Camp Crusty Undies.
So, boiling some eggs, bird snags, bit of toast going on. Thank you to Maddie for making me the breadboard that goes over the sink. That is an absolute winner. Gonna see if the wind doesn't blow out the cookers here. Pretty windy. Let's see where the sheep are at.
Oh yeah, sheep are a couple of paddocks away. There's Carly. Hey Carls. We have a couple of ducks on the pond next door. Carly's rolling around. The Great Australian Bush. That there is a very deceased, dead, stinky root.
Little MDC's a ripper camper. Starlink is an amazing thing. Keeps us connected when we're out and about. We have a good little supply in there. May have to do some food shopping. There's more alcohol than food. Alright, there's lunch. Let's enjoy. One here is waiting for a snack, aren't you? Bit of Vegemite toast. Is that nice, Carls? She doesn't like the egg white, but she loves the egg yolk. The sheep are chasing Rach and Dave down the paddock as they think it's tea time. I mean, seriously, the whole paddock. All of them.